Here's the secret to the success of my day. At the end of the day, I come home, I get my AER Disc container out, and I put a little bit of non-fat milk in there. I just put a little bit just so it touches the bottom of the blade, as you can see. Then I take a little bit of stevia. I put that in there, and I put a little bit of cinnamon, and I sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon in there. And that's it. I go ahead and whisk it with the AER Disc. About speed 4. It's got to be cold, non-fat milk. It's already whisked up. And here we go. A nice coffee foam for my French press coffee. I like to do this at the end of the day. It just, everything that happened before just goes away. In the morning, I just have a regular cup of black coffee. And I have my Ninja Turtles here. I fill it up halfway because my Ninja Turtles cup is pretty big. And I like it big like that so I can fit all this nice whipped topping on there, courtesy of the AER Disc. The AER Disc container is worth its weight in gold, worth every penny. Just for this. It's a simple pleasure. I love it, and makes coffee 1,000,000 times better. Nice whipped coffee foam topping, non-fat, no sugar, no calories, well, except for the milk, but it's negligible, and it tastes fantastic. You can put this whipped topping on anything, waffles, muffins, whatever you want. It's like it's like the cream that the whipped cream you get from the Ready whipped cream, just like that, but even better. But that's it. Quick tip for survival of quarantine. Have a nice day.